Through this video we are introducing about leading zeros. Excel has many built-in formats that you can use: currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, etc. If you cannot find the right format, you can create a custom number format. One of that it is leading zeros. For example, you might have codes that consist of 5 numbers. Instead of typing 00041, simply type 41 and let Excel add the leading zeros. In general, when you type 41, Excel only, we can see in Excel 41 only. How can add leading zeros? Right click, then select the format cell, then select a custom, then type 0, then click OK. Then when we type 41, click enter, Excel shows that 00041. Okay, Excel gives you a live preview how number will be formatted. Note that cell A1 still contains number 41. We only changed the appearance of this number, not the number itself. Okay, through this video we are introduced about how we can set leading zeros in Microsoft Excel. First you select a cell, then right click and then click format cell, select custom, date, then type the following number format code 00000, then click OK. You can see the live preview of how the number will be formatted. Note that the cell A1 still contains the number 41 only. We only changed the appearance of this number, not the number itself. If you are at first time in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and comment your valuable opinion below this video. Thank you very much.